I'm going to show you how you can get your Discord ID on mobile in 2025. First off, before accessing anything, we need to turn on a setting that makes this possible. So from your app here, you want to scroll and then you want to go to Use section here. Now on the Use section here, you want to go ahead and go to the settings up top. So go to the settings up here, or you can also just tap the settings here as well. So this will go to the settings. Now on here, you want to scroll down and then you want to find advanced. So here it is, advanced, just tap on this. Now on here, tap on developer mode like this, right? So now developer mode is on. Now it'll be possible to copy the user ID. So let's just go ahead and go back. Now let's go to home. Now on home here, we're gonna go to the thing you want to copy the user ID to. So for example, I want to copy the user ID of my own account here. I'm just going to tap on the 3-bar icon here, and then I can tap on copy user ID like that, and then that's it. Now my user ID will be copied onto my clipboard, and now I can paste it anywhere I want.